Making chapati is not that difficult. These are the ingredients that you require. First, you require wheat flour. I'm going to use this umoja. Umoja ni tamu wheat flour, salt, a basin or any other material that you'll use to bake, and again warm water. We're going to use warm water. And also, if you prefer putting sugar in your chapatis, you can also add sugar into your chapatis, and also carrots and also pumpkin. If you don't know how to make pumpkin chapatis, don't worry, comment down there so that I make the pumpkin chapati in my next recipe. First of all, let's begin. We're going to start with water. This water is warm. You go in with your salt. If you don't know how to measure water, you can just add little by little. Don't put too much salt, just put enough salt. Then you add your oil. Just a little oil. After that, you mix. Then you stir your water to ensure that the salt is tasting in every part of the water. Then go in with the wheat flour. You put your wheat flour. You don't put too much, you add little by little to ensure that you don't have like a tough dough. Make sure you knead your dough until it becomes soft, not firm but soft, and it's not like sticky. You see the way this one looks like? At this point, go in with a little oil. Amount of oil you're kneading with is what is going to be determined, because you're not going to add like too much oil when now you are cooking the chapatis. So your unga is your dough, not your, this is how your dough is supposed to look like. See? Now you let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours, but because I don't have that much time, I'm going to let it rest for around 30 minutes. Let's cover it. You cover using a clean kitchen towel, like this one. You let it rest for 30 minutes. If you don't have time, maybe 10 minutes. This is the state of my dough after 30 minutes. You see the way it's very soft. So we're going to roll and make those chapati shapes. Let's roll the dough. Wheat flour. My working surface is small, but you just have to adopt it. Just like that. Then you add your oil. Remember, my ends are clean, so I'm allowed to like rub with my hands because I don't have that brush that you normally spread the oil with. But also, you have to make like small cuts so that the oil can also enter inside this dough. This is the secret of soft chapatis. You see, now when you spread the oil enters into those parts that you just cut. Then now you cut them. Now you roll. This is where the layer is going to come from. From this, the way you are doing this, that is how the layers are going to come through. Then you keep them aside. Yeah, you just do this process until you're done with all the dough. Now I'm done with the first one. I'm going to roll out this second part. Remember I divided the dough into two parts, into two pieces. remember, even to this other piece of the dough that you divided, perhaps if you also divided, you do the same process that you did to the first one. Remember I said these cuts enable the oil to penetrate through the dough. And this is where your chapatis, the secret of making soft chapatis. And then this process of cutting and rolling out is the secret of making layered chapatis. Now you're going to repeat this process until you're done with them. Then you see the next step. This is the end result of after rolling. You're going to get such pieces. Now let's roll them into chapati shape and cook. Now you're going to roll into chapati shape. Circle is becoming harder. You will manage. You ensure that when you're cooking your chapati, the edges are not so thick because they will not cook. This heat is too much. You just cook under medium heat. Then go in with your oil. Don't add too much oil to the chapati. Remember you used oil to make the dough. Now you let it cook. You ensure the chapatis are turning brown the way you can see this one. It's very brown, and you do this process to all your chapatis until you're done with them. Yeah. This is the end result. As you can see, the chapatis are very soft. Just see for yourself. Yeah. You can see if you want to arrange them like this, you gotta do that. Oh. They are very soft and fluffy. Subscribe, like, and share the video.